chocolate, all that chocolate will go in your body.
Ayan, nagkakaroon na kasi ng double chin si Beauty dahil sa kakakain niya ng toyo rice na linuluto ni Kevin. Naku, Beauty, ganyan talaga siya sa loob ng bahay. Ang hirap talaga na parang pag nabuboard ka, parang gusto mo na lang kumain, di ba? I know exactly how it feels. Pero kaya mo yan. You can do it. Pero, can you do the hand bridge game? Mabuti pa, simulan na natin manangyayari ulit sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Here.
Go, Valerie! Go, Valerie! Go, Valerie! You can do it! Ayan, ngayon tinanggal na yung bola. Kasi, it's really hard. Imagine, magbabalance ka lang, tapos may bola pa. Buti na lang, medyo tinanggal niya. At nakaupo siya. I guess, siguro kanya-kanya style to. Tama yan, dress. Buti nag-board shirts kayo. Ayan, si Nat at saka si Beauty, natapos na nila, nagawa na nila ng bonggang-bongga. So, I'm so happy for that. There's Alex. We can see Alex. You know si Robbie, nakakatuwa na yung hair niya, half and half. Nalatuwa naman si Kuya, pinakulayan niya pa yung mga hair ng ating mga boys. Yung mga natirang hair ng mga boys. At saka yung mga girls. Na-excite naman sila sa new look ng ating mga guys. Go, Valerie! Go, Valerie! Kaya kayo dyan, since it's summer. Maybe it's time for a new you, a new change, diba? Diba? Go, Beauty. Yes, si Beauty, new hair na, may bangs. But she's good. Okay, go. Go, go, go! Valerie! Valerie, go! Ayan, ayan, ayan. Go, go. Kailangan talaga ng major concentration. Okay. Ayan, almost magagawa na nila. Again, i-remind ko lang kayo ha, na hindi na po dapat kayong bumoto sa mga nominadong si Joseph, Nicole, and Kevin. Malalaman nyo lang po sa primetime episode mamaya kung bakit. And of course, you can text us your reactions. You can even text with me, text Mariel Space on, send it to 2366 para everyday makukuha nyo yung mga messages ko, okay? Go, guys! Now it's Alex turn. Medyo mabilis yung grupo na to ha, in all fairness to them. Medyo nahirapan ng sugili si Jolas kasi medyo matangkad siya. It's really hard. Itong ginagawa ko ngayon na nakamike ako, ang lakas nito makasinging B, no? Very, asa na ba yung karaoke song natin? Halika magkantahan na tayong lahat. Go, Alex! Go, Alex! Alright! Kakanta ako for you guys. Anong kanta ang gusto ninyo? Okay. Alam ko na, just to prove to you na alam ko talaga yung song. Yesterday ko napanood yung singing bee. Nagawa ko talaga siya. I really know it. Okay, it just so happened na nabablanko ko. Dapat, yung sinabi ko kasi, parang please don't ask me Gretchen Barreto. I know it. I even have it in my iPod. Oh, talaga nag-explain dito, di ba? Pero ito talaga, I'm really telling you ha, kailangan ko talaga i-redeem yung sarili ko. Okay, dapat yan parang, I toss and turn, can't sleep at night. Dapat, but your face I see. Sabi ko, and your face I see. Alam nyo, mga 20 minutes ako nakatayo din sa labas. Sabi ko, wow, I couldn't believe it happened to me. Anyway, ayan, syempre, diba, in-explain ko ngayon. Mabuti pa balikan natin ang ating mga housemates. Eto nga, grabe, minsan talaga hindi ka makakatulog right away. Kaya ang ating mga girls, rumampa muna. And after, medyo nagkaroon sila ng chick flick moment dahil nag-usap sila about boys. Watch this.
Gabi na, pero hindi pa rin makatulog ang mga girls. Kaya, eto ang naisip nilang gawin.
2, 3, pose! What if the viewers are not adults but kids?
Kids! Ah, okay.
Kids. So, what poses would you make? Ano? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like it.
Oh, feeling model talaga.
Candidate number 1, Rana VP. Candidate number 2, Valerie Bagman. Candidate number 3, Miss Priscilla May Navidad.
Bago matulog, boys naman ang pinag-usapan nila.
I easily fall in love. That's the problem with me. Like, I usually get to feelings, pero
Are you easy fall in love?
yeah, that's a problem with me. And when I get too much in love, I will not give everything, but I'll make sure that parang I really do effort. Parang ganun.
Yes.
So, boba talaga ako sa pag-ibig. Alex, it's obvious that he thinks that I really like him.
Yes.
And here's
Like
the thing,
last time
Beauty.
when she's...
I know this for a fact. Your feelings on and off with him. Kapag may ginawa siyang sama sa'yo, parang off na, it's so annoying. But after a while, he did something sweet, parang balik na naman.
Yes, like...
I know that.
No, you know what? Recently now, I'm just playing. Like, I'm not playing with playing. Parang bang, okay, go with the flow.
Don't rush, but maintain the friendship. But do the right move after the whole show. Because this house is very, very small. Strong kasi very small.
Yeah.
Enjoy life, but
Make boys cry.
make boys cry? Eh bakit ikaw yata, Beauty, ang palaging umiiyak? At ngayon, oras na to meet Kim.
John? Yes? Handa ka na? Oh, wow! Kevin, wow!
Hi, Kim.
Hi. Hello? Hello? How are you? Okay. So you're the winner of last year, huh?
Yeah,
It's big, yeah?
last 2006.
That's great. We've seen you everywhere already. We've seen you, of course,
Even in your place?
in Madrid.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bagong hairdo ang mga boys. Kaya naitanong ni Kevin kay Kim ang...
Like my hair.
Yeah, what happened?
Sacrifice.
For? Sacrifice for
No,
who?
we say. No. Okay, bon appetit.
Eat.
Yes.
Ang mga bagong gupit na boys, hinahanap si Kevin.
Where's Kevin? Hindi ko alam. Ako may nakita, hindi ko ba sa beauty.
Swerte talaga ni Kevin.
Don't worry boys, makikita niyo yun si Kim.
I love Kim Chu! Ang ganda-ganda talaga ni Kim. At syempre, request ni Kim na makilala niya rin ang ibang mga housemates. Kaya naman, pumayag si Kuya. Yan ang isa pa sa dapat niyong abangan sa primetime episode mamaya right after Lobo. Napakarami na nung pinapaabang ko sa inyo, ha? Kaya naman ngayon, silipin natin ang nangyayari sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Jolas was able to do it kanina, tapos na siya. Now naman it's Priscilla's turn. Wait lang, Kuya, ako, meron akong reklamo. Bakit ako kailangan nakatayo sila nakaupo? Ako nakatayo kayo, nahulog ako kaagad. Ano ba talaga, Kuya? Ano ba talaga? Boy na, why housemate? Gusto ko nga gawing ako po si Maria Rodriguez ang kakampi ng housemate mo. Alright, ito mga dapat niyong abangan sa primetime episode. Mamaya, watch this.
May isang housemate ang kinakailangang lumabas. Itinitigil na ho ang botohan.
I don't see Jonas wash the dish, cook, clean.
In this house, there's people that don't do anything. Right, Jolas?
Talaga.
No, don't say anything if you don't want to say it.
Maliit na bagay lang, pare. Pinalalaki nyo. Ano ba problema natin? Gusto nyo? Simula bukas. Ako na.
Kevin, wow!
Idol.
Everybody stand up. Let's go. Yeah, come on in.
Yan ang dapat yung abangan sa primetime episode right after Lobo. And kayo lahat mga kapamilya, my Uber friends. Aba, PBB sikat sa haircut. Kung gusto nyo maging hip ang inyong hair, kasing astig, kasing cool gaya ng gupit ng ating mga housemates, aba, kailangan nyo lang tawagin yung mga barkada ninyo, yung mga barkada ninyo, 5 members sa isang barkada, magpunta at mag-send lang kayo sa pinoybigbrother.multiply.com. Okay, ang deadline nito for submission is on May 3. So magpapagupit kayo kasi send nyo dyan, okay, sa pinoybigbrother.multiply.com. Okay, and you can win as much as 50,000 pesos. Plus, ilalagay yung picture ninyo as a billboard dito sa harap ng bahay ni Kuya. O, di ba? Super sikat ka talaga. Kaya naman, go. Be cool, be funky like our housemates. Alright, I see you all tomorrow dito pa rin sa Uber. Bye!
Now wait. Next one. No.
Lunes sa Prime Time.